If you guys are looking for a keychain, you are going to thank me for this later. This is the PAKTIL 4-piece solid brass. This is the 3/4 inch one, and I love these because, let me show them to you up close. They swivel around down here. And then for people who have fingernails or just kind of shaky hands, this kind is problematic. It's hard to hook on and off. This is so easy. You just walk up, clamp it on. I love solid brass because if it ever looks dingy, you just polish it with bar keepers and it will look brand new forever. If you are looking for a new sturdy keychain, grab a pack of these. It's a 4-pack, share them with the family, and there you go.